Bail application for the Manchester man charged in the shooting death of two women at a wake in the parish in February has been hit with delays. This as his lawyers say the court is awaiting CCTV footage allegedly of the incident, which saw two women fatally shot and a child injured following a fender bender. Despite the challenges, lawyers representing the 50-year-old Manchester resident charged in the Levy Lane shooting death of two women and the injury of a 12-year-old persist. Their first hiccup in pursuit of his freedom came this week when they appeared in the Manchester Parish Court.
The bail application was adjourned until the 2nd of April. And the basis for that was that in the disclosure that was made to us, myself and Ms. Campbell, it revealed that there was some possibility of the incident being captured on CCTV. And in those circumstances, we would want to have a look at that, because that will most certainly, if there is clarity in terms of any footage, direct the way forward in a very certain way.
The King's Counsel explains that this does not mean their instructions have changed.
Again, I don't want it to be a case where we are seeking to say too much and appearing to be trying the case in public. In the circumstances, we are going to await the information and put ourselves again in a state of readiness for the bail application.
Champagny says the matter of the length of time to retrieve the raw footage is, however, concerning and odd.
Yes, it is very unusual, I would add, by way of comment. Normally you'd wait on the official report, CFCD, and that would take months. Raw footage is something that I don't see a challenge with, and hence the concern that Ms. Campbell and I expressed in court this morning.
That's a major concern now, though. Give the time. Are you okay with the time?
One can never be okay with any time when one's client is in custody. The sooner the better. So from that perspective, we are concerned, and we can't be okay with it. You know, we can't understand why it is that it will be taking so long, but sufficient until the day.
Victims 35-year-old Aldine Dixon, a resident of Colleyville District, Manchester, and 42-year-old Stacey Ann Mulgrave, a resident of Barnstable District, were in attendance at a vigil near the suspect's house when their car allegedly scratched the suspect's vehicle. The incident quickly escalated, with locals claiming the suspect opened fire, hitting several people, resulting in their hospitalization. The two women did not survive. The licensed firearm holder was relieved of his weapon before his subsequent detention.